Hi, this is Mike Littman. I'm president founder and the CEO of Mike's International. Once I was so young, my mom helped me with really highest expectation in my life. My mom never asked me, my mom never called me just Mike. My mom used to call me Sir Mike. And I grew up with this amazing and beautiful word, sir. And that word helped me a lot really to go with and to raise up with a high ego because it was instilling a kind of responsibility and it was giving me a certain kind of feelings that I am a sir and I am supposed to do what nobody is doing and I'm supposed to do what must be regarded and that must be rewarded as much as like I was expecting in my life. So I always had expectation that I would do something what must be respected and I must do something what can really help people because I wanted to earn a lot of respect with that word because that word was giving me kind of feeling that I'm supposed to do something out of the box and I was supposed to do something what nobody is doing around me. So my parents, they helped me a lot really to move in my life with these kind of super feeling in my life. So I'm today gonna tell you how to raise super kids. My mom and my father, like they were the godlike parents. Though they were a little broke in their relationship, but they personally helped me a lot. They have given me a great inheritance in shape of thoughts and responsibilities and commitment, and they told me like how to stay happy in my life and how to become more and more responsible to this universe. Though I was attending my school, and unfortunately my school couldn't help me really to grow up with a certain expectation what could help me to become a great leader. But at the same time, my mom and my father in my bedroom, they were giving me a lot of great messages. My mom used to tell me, you never need to tell anything lie to the people. She always said to repeat this amazing phrase and this amazing sentence and I repeated in my life in my childhood for long time and I repeat in my life for myself. I have three kids and they are the naughtiest kids, so I'm not with them all the time. I'm not there with them for 24 over 7. They love freedom and they enjoy their freedom and they love to do what they are supposed to uh, do in their life, what they like to do, they are keeping it up. But I have given them one responsibility, one sentence: accept the responsibility and tell the truth. Accept the responsibility and tell the truth. My kids practice it a lot now, like with me, I practiced it in my childhood, and now my kids, they practice it at their bedroom. They always said, accept the responsibility, tell the truth. Accept the responsibility and tell the truth. But with the passage of time, I noticed so many things are happening in their lives once they were so young, and I was working in different city because I was working for my job and for my different projects and assignment, and I was supposed to travel a lot in the country. So whenever I came back home, I asked my kids, hey, who has broken my mouse, who has broken my this stapler or this is and that. And my kids, they were used to come and they were used to claim, hey, Papa, I have broken your mouse, I have broken your keyboard, I have broken this and that. And they were used to tell me truth because I never shouted at them. And I am learning how to become a godlike parent in their life. I always love to support them, what they love to do in their life, and I help them to believe that whatever they're doing, they're gonna do something out of the box and they're gonna rock with that. So, and they love to tell me the truth, whatever the consequences gonna happen in their life. So like my parents, they helped me a lot to grow up with a high expectation. So I am giving the same inheritance, and I'm giving the same expectation to my kids, and they really love me. I love them. They trust me a lot. They know whatever I'm doing in their life, it's gonna help them a lot in their life. I have a very good understanding, and I have created a very democratic environment at my home. I always ask them to participate in all kind of conversation and all kind of decision making. Whatever I'm gonna do, I ask them with help of their mom. I ask them on a cup of tea in evening or whatever, at a suitable time, and I ask them like if we gonna paint our room, so what you suggest, like what color you suggest. So they come up with their arguments, they come up with their suggestions and their recommendations, and we honor their recommendations. And I play with them a love game as well. So love game mean I ask them how Papa love you, how Papa love you, this much, this much, this much, or that much. So they tell me Papa loves me this much, Papa loves me that much. I secretly ask, in absence of their mom, how Mama love you, how Mama love you, this much, or that much. They told me the youngest son, he's been bit neglected, and he told me Mama loves me this much. And my elder son, he is very much disconnected with mom, and he told me Mama loves me this much. And the middle son Bobby, he is quite amazing, and he told me Mama loves me that much, and he is a really mollycoddle of her mom. So we can play a love game. Parenting isn't easy job. It's a job we first need to learn how to become a great parent, and we first have to become a very different person to achieve something what we never achieve in our life. So being a parent, we are so much concerned with our personal education, because by birth we inherit a lot of things. We learn from norms and cultures and religion and politics and everything, and we become a different person. So being a parent it's not an easy job. It's never easy. It's a very much challenging. So I would recommend and suggest you to consider these three recommendations. Number one, you need to say your kids, I I I accept the responsibility, I tell the truth. So repeat this sentence again and again with your kids, and then ask your kids, how much do you love your papa? How much do you love your mom? How much do you love your sister, your brother? And this way you can make analysis and you can earn real respect and love. And number three, don't advise kids. Always be an example for your kids. So keep following these advices. I'm pretty sure you're gonna be a greatest parents, greatest parents, and you're gonna play an amazing role in your kids' life. So thank you very much. I will come up with another video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.